Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to mine Tiger Network. Okay, Tiger Network is a cutting-edge technology and artificial intelligence technology. It aims to allow the global people to enjoy universal basic income, the UBI, by issuing blockchain points, which is the Tiger coin. People can obtain this token by participating in the community and completing specific tasks. And this point will be converted to real digital assets. So guys, before we get started, if you know you find our video tutorials useful and interesting, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I'll be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly, let's head over to the video. Now, to get started, you will be needing a referral link. Click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. Here you go, you click on Start. You click on Play. You click on Start. Here you go. This is the beautiful interface of the Tiger Network. It runs 24 hours per session. Okay, so you don't have to keep tapping like the regular tapping apps. You just click once and it runs for 24 hours per session. So you come back the next day to click on Start. Okay, so you can navigate your way around this app by utilizing these icons below. So the boost icon allows you to increase your rewards by following these handles. The beautiful part of this is that they have an inbuilt Web3 wallet, a Web3 wallet where you can also store digital assets. Beautiful. Okay, now this is their white paper. Beautiful roadmap. So they intend to provide people with universal basic income on a regular basis. So guys, this is all for this video. I believe you find these tips helpful and hopefully you get started. So guys, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are here to join us, please hit the subscribe button to join this growing community. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when another video drops. If you've stayed to this point, thank you so much for watching, and always stay glued to this channel for more educational content, and see you in our next video.